creativity area. Today we are going to do 2 science activities. So let's get started. So the first activity we are going to do is Newton's disc. So the things needed are scissors, sheet of paper, white sheet of paper, pencil, compass, ruler and some colors. Now let's start. First step is to make a circle using a compass. You have to make a fairly big circle and it should be on a white sheet of paper. The second step is to take your scissors and cut out the circle. The third step is to take your ruler and the pencil and make 7 equal parts like this. Now the fourth step is to color all these 7 parts in rainbow colors like this. Now the fifth step is to punch a hole in the middle using a punching machine. The sixth step is to put a pencil through the hole and tape it securely. Now what should happen is when you are spinning it very fastly, you should see white color forming on top. In person I can see it forming, but in camera I couldn't see. I don't know if it is forming. When I see in person I can see the white color very nicely, but in camera I don't know it is forming or not. Now let's do the second activity. The activity is the pepper and water activity. The things needed are a plate, pepper, water, dish soap. Now let's get started. Step is to pour some water into the plate like that. The second step is to add some pepper powder into the water. The third step is to take your finger and lightly rub on the dish soap. You can see I have some dish soap in. Now the fourth step is to dip this finger into the pepper water. As soon as I dip, you can see there is no pepper powder near my finger. When I'm here, see there is no pepper powder taking place. When I dip my other dry finger into it, nothing happens. As you can see, it is just there. And my finger got pepper. But when I dip this dish soap finger, it all moves away like that. Isn't that cool to watch? So that are the 2 science activities. I hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Creativity Area and like the video and share the video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on another video. Thank you.